Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable port forwarding on your TECNO router. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to our router's admin page, and to do that we're going to connect to our router's network, and after we've done that, type in the default IP of your router into the browser. So by default it's 192.168.0.1. Now let's enter, and here let's say if you are logged out, the default username and password are admin and admin, both lowercase. So let's log in, and then we're gonna go to the firewall section, then press the port forwarding tab, and here enable or disable this option, however you want. So once you've done that, just make sure to press apply to save your settings, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.